Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, July the 23rd, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as usual, we'll be all over the place with our conversation based upon what you say in the chat. Also, we're going to be looking at comments in the past week to the various videos that I have posted, and we've had some very interesting comments, and we're going to use those as a springboard for discussion as well. Also, we're going to talk about, why the doctor hurt me this week, and it's Walter's fault. And we're going to give you an update on Walter's new car situation because we've been playing with it. And he's also a little bit uptight right now about theft. So we're going to talk about all those things and a whole bunch more, I'm sure. And the conversation will continue as long as you're in the chat on the live. So join us today, Sunday, July the 23rd, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see everybody then. Bye for now.